Hey everyone, how's it going? So I wanted to share with you this surveillance video camera. A guy half naked running barefoot across our backyard and over a 7-foot iron steel gate with point ends. And you can see him landing on the hood of this Hyundai electric vehicle, damaging the hood right about now. And he's going to break the side mirror running across and also damage the charge point. I don't know what he was running away from. There was no one chasing him. This is at 4 a.m. Looks like he thinks some kind of spirit ghost or maybe something happened on the other side of the street when he was in someone's house or his own house, and now he's running away or he's on something. I'm not sure. But it cost over $1,000 worth of damages. You saw him leaping over that other fence. That's another fence in the front of the house. So security camera definitely is a deterrent, but it won't prevent things like this. At least you know what happens. You definitely can see he's fear for his life for whatever reason. But for him to cause that much damage to a vehicle just running away from something, he's definitely on something. Hopefully you find this video helpful and educational. And if you're interested in which security camera we have, check out the description of this video. You can find a promo link for it as well. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.